Alright, welcome back to the shop today, everyone. Today I just got a quick little video I wanted to do here. So I have a Kubota B2650 tractor here that you guys have probably seen in some videos. And recently, well, not recently, I guess this happened a while ago. But the ROPS bar, if you have one of these tractors, you know sometimes when it's down and you're running some implements, it can hit the ROPS bar. I took mine off, but anyway. So as you know, on some attachments this can hit the ROPS bar when it's raised up. That has happened to mine here and completely tacoed this. We bent it back, but it doesn't adjust anymore on this side, so it's basically, it's hard to use it. It's kind of useless. So this video is just about the replacement that I got here. The Kubota OEM TopLink is 3 times as much as this one we got here. So the Kubota TopLink, the OEM one, is about 3 times the cost of this one here. I'll put a link in the description for this TopLink, but it came fast. It came in 2 days. Looks like they sent it second day air here. Or 2 day San Diego. Looks like they sent this second day. So that's always nice. Send second day, so let's get it open. I'll go pop the old one off of the machine over there and we'll compare the two of them. I just wanted to make this video for anyone that's got one of these tractors and has broken their top link, because I'm sure I'm not the first one that's tacoed their top link here on one of these B2650s or similar tractors. Okay. This is where I got it, epartsshop.com, I believe. Oh wow, they even send you with a pin. That's pretty nice. A nice bag here. Let me go grab the old one. And we'll see what that one looks like off the machine. Be right back. We're back here. I got the old one off. This is the old pin. This is the old TopLink. Let's get this new one opened up here and just see what the difference is, if there is any. They send you a linchpin, but it's not even the right size linchpin here. That's kind of funny. That's not going to be very good, but I've removed the grease fitting out of this one as well recently, just when I bent this back, but it did have one there. So as far as that goes, they look pretty similar. I think the biggest difference here is that we have a 30mm jam nut over a 27. Well, this thing's not bad, I think. I think I got a little bit of a defective one, though, because this side is a little tight. When you twist it, it kind of hits a spot, and it doesn't seem like it's square. I think this crimp is a little crooked on this side. This side tracks perfectly straight. This side does not, and it's got like a little catch in there. So I don't know, we'll put it on the machine, see if it works, but that's my review of this TopLink here that's about 1/3 of the price of the original from Kubota. Yeah, I guess you get what you pay for. So we'll see if that's annoying or not, but let's put it on the machine. Alright, well it works, but you can see here, watch this when I turn it, how much it moves. Whoever tapped this shaft here was off with their tap a lot. It's very crooked, so it just doesn't operate smoothly. This one is perfectly fine here. I mean, it's moving because the other side's moving, but it works, I guess. But that, I don't know, that's not super skookum. I'm gonna email them and I'll let you know what they say about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I know it's a short one, not really super exciting, but if you have one of these tractors and you're looking for 1/3 of the price option on a new TopLink, maybe it's for you. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you found this interesting or anything else that you want to see about the B2650 or anything else that we have. I appreciate you watching, and everyone have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.